Alright guys, so I am here with
Syncifor.
Alright, so Syncifor's here with me, I'm filming and he's filming at the same time. So, we're just going to go ahead and set the system off. You can probably guess what's already going to be up. Yep, you guessed correct.
It's two spectator benches, one with the strobe, one without.
Yeah. And then in the bathroom, here's the HW. For those of you who don't know, this is actually the reason why the spectral alerts are up 24/7 is because this is kind of like something, God forbid it were to go off in the night, I would need to hear it, and they will wake you up.
No doubt about that.
That's right, no doubt. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and set up the system.
What should I do?
What do you want to do?
I tried this one. I haven't pulled this one yet.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
Ooh, that hurts.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Alright.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah, here, you switch it. Here's the fake Spectral Alert Classic next to the original Spectral Alert Classic. This is the knockoff, this is the real one. Now, here's the back of that one. Here's the back of this one. So look at how different they are. See? Let me just grab that. Go ahead and you can reset that. The 270.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Once he resets that, we will re-alarm it.
There we go.
There we go. Go. Alright. Now we will re-alarm it using the hex wrench, and you can use a test hole right there.
Oh, right here?
Yep.
You just put it up against
No,
it?
put it in there.
In here?
Yep. There we go. And then the annunciator also. So we have fire alarm in both zones. The 2100, that, and the 270. So we can go ahead and reset the system.
This empty hanging on the wall.
Yeah, we got the MT hanging on the wall.
I remember that earlier.
And you hear the spectral alert just chirped. So, yeah. Alright, so that's it for now. More videos are on the way.